Hey there! Are you tired of your messy kitchen and looking for some easy-to-implement organization ideas? Well, you're in the right place. Let's talk about kitchen organization, the unsung hero of a smoothly running household. A well-organized kitchen isn't just about aesthetics. It's about saving time rummaging through drawers, reducing stress during meal prep, and making your everyday life just a little bit easier. Today, we'll be diving into 10 easy and budget-friendly kitchen organization ideas that you can start implementing right now. Welcome to Serene Shelter, where we make your living spaces more comfortable and efficient. We kick off with our first two ideas, making use of vertical spaces and cabinet doors. Now, when it comes to organizing, it's not just about the horizontal spaces. The vertical spaces in your kitchen have so much potential. Wall-mounted racks or shelves can be your best friends. They provide a home for your pots, pans, and even that growing collection of mugs. Next, let's talk about cabinet doors. Ever thought about what's on the inside? Sounds mysterious, right? Well, it's actually just another opportunity for storage. Adding hooks or small baskets to the insides of your cabinet doors can be a clever way to store your cutting boards, measuring cups, or those pesky pot lids that never seem to find a home. So, never underestimate your vertical spaces and cabinet doors. They can be real game changers in kitchen organization. Moving on to ideas 3 and 4, drawer dividers and over-the-door organizers. Let's start with drawer dividers. These are a game changer for any kitchen. Picture this. You open a drawer and instead of a jumbled mess of utensils, you find everything neatly arranged in its own compartment. Spoons with spoons, knives with knives, and so on. The magic of drawer dividers is that they bring order to chaos, making your cooking and meal prep experience a breeze. Now let's talk about over-the-door organizers. These are not just for shoes anymore. Imagine using that unused space on the back of your pantry or cleaning closet door to store extra pantry items or cleaning supplies. It's like discovering a secret storage compartment you never knew you had. And the best part? Everything is visible and easily accessible. No more rummaging around trying to find that elusive can of beans or bottle of cleaner. With these, you can easily find what you need when you need it, saving you valuable time. Let's dive into ideas 5 and 6, the Lazy Susan and Undershelf Baskets. Picture this. You're in your kitchen, reaching into a corner cabinet or a high shelf, and you're struggling to find that one spice jar or cereal box. A Lazy Susan can be your savior in these situations. With a simple spin, it brings what you need right to your fingertips, saving you time and effort. Now let's imagine another common scenario. You've got a shelf filled to the brim, but there's still wasted space underneath. Enter the Undershelf Baskets. These nifty additions can be easily hooked onto your existing shelves, providing that extra storage you've been desperately needing. They're perfect for storing everything from mugs to napkins, and they make use of every inch of your kitchen. These handy organization tools will help you maximize your kitchen storage. Ideas 7 and 8 involve pantry organization and using clear containers. First off, let's talk about pantry organization. A well-organized pantry not only looks good, but it also makes cooking and meal planning a breeze. Think about grouping similar items together, such as baking goods, canned goods, and breakfast items. This way, you know exactly where to look when you need something. Now, on to clear containers. One of the best ways to keep your pantry organized is to use clear containers for storing items like grains, pasta, or spices. This isn't just about aesthetics either. Clear containers allow you to see exactly what's inside and how much is left at a glance, eliminating the need to rummage through your pantry. Consider investing in airtight containers. Not only will these keep your food fresh for longer, but they also stack neatly, saving you precious space. So whether it's your favorite cereal, your secret recipe spices, or your go-to pasta, give them a clear new home. These simple changes can make a big difference in your kitchen organization. Finally, ideas 9 and 10 are about implementing a labeling system and regular decluttering. Let's dive into the details. Picture your kitchen with a labeling system in place. It's not just about neatness, it's about efficiency. Labels help you quickly identify what you need, saving you time and preventing any mix-ups. You can label shelves, containers, or even drawers. And the best part? You can make it as simple or as creative as you like. Moving on to our 10th and final tip, regular decluttering. We know it sounds like a chore, but hear us out. Regular decluttering is the secret sauce to maintaining an organized kitchen. It's not about one big cleaning spree, but rather small, consistent efforts. Take a few minutes each day or dedicate a specific time each week to reassess your space. Dispose of anything that's expired, broken, or no longer used. This habit will keep your kitchen from becoming a cluttered mess and ensure it stays an efficient, enjoyable space. With these final tips, your kitchen will stay organized and efficient. And there you have it, 10 easy and budget-friendly kitchen organization ideas. From utilizing vertical spaces and cabinet doors, through to regular decluttering, these hacks can transform your kitchen into a haven of order and efficiency. An organized kitchen isn't just visually pleasing, it also makes cooking and cleaning up a breeze. It's a win-win situation. What do you think of these ideas? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to Serene Shelter for more helpful tips like these. See you in the next video.